Welcome to my new video series, How to Install SAP HANA Database Express Edition on an OpenSUSE Leap 50.5 server. You will see in this video series here how to install the OpenSUSE Leap server, including all important packages which are needed to install the HANA Database Express Edition. We will see how to register, download, and extract the files for the SAP HANA Database Express Edition. We will see how to install the HANA Base Express Edition. We will see how to optimize it. That means optimizing all the structures in the back. We will see after the installation how to check the installation. We will see how to connect the SAP HANA Database Express Edition to the universal database tool dbeaver. And we will install the Smart Data Integration tool to connect to different data sets and databases instead.